to my new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look into the questions that are related to significant figure. Now a brief example of that we're going to follow after our definitions. Now the basic definition is the significant figures gives us an indication of how accurate a measurement is. The more significant figures a number has, the greater level of accuracy. Now there are few rules that we have to keep in our mind while we are trying to solve the questions that are related to significant figures. Now the first one is that the first non-zero digit is the first significant figure. Number two is that all figures following the first significant figure are also significant. The third one is that final zeros in a whole number may or may not be significant. Now let's jump to our example. Now in this example we need to find the significant figure. The number is bigger, which is 5083. Now looking into that, you're going to find out that there are 5, the first one, which is non-zero. So from here it starts our first significant figure. So it's going to be 5, 0, 8 and 3. So it's the rest they are following, the 5 is going to be significant figure as well. Therefore we have basically 4 significant figures. So 5 is the first one, which is non-zero, and the rest, which are 0, 6 and 3, they follow 5, therefore they are significant figures as well. So in total we have 4 significant figures. Now we're going to look into a smaller number that starts with decimal point. Now it's 0.0362. Now we know the rule number 1 says that the first significant figures start with a non-zero. So therefore we have got number 3, 6 and 2, they are non-zeros. The first one is going to be 3 and the rest they are following are 6 and 2. Therefore we have 3 significant figures in that. Now we're going to look into 2 different situations where one we are going to have non-clear number and the other one you're going to have exactly clear number. Now the first one says that non-clear number, that is total college fees about 9,000. When you say about, we know that it's not exactly 9,000. It's going to be 9. That's going to be the first significant figures, and the rest of the zeros, they are not. Therefore 9 is going to be the only significant figure in that. Now the second one, if you see in this one, we've got a clear number which says the 100-meter race competition. Now in that we know that the first digit is going to be the significant figure, and the rest, if you see, it meets our first rule criteria, and the second one says that the follows are significant figures as well. Since it is a clear number, therefore the rest, even they are zeros, they are following it, therefore it is going to be significant figures as well. Now third one, if you see the rules that are may or may not, in this case it is actually a significant figure because this is a clear number. So therefore we can say it has got only 3 significant figures. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.